Hi, today's question is, does it still make sense to buy a home? Absolutely. And I'm going to give you 5 reasons why. Number 1, homes are affordable. In the market we're in, after everything that's happened in the past few years, home prices have been pushed down, making them today very affordable. Number 2, home loan rates are at historic lows. In November of 1981, interest rates were 15.8%. Today, they're below 4%. Even back in 1981, people were still buying homes. But with the interest rates today, it's giving you more power, more buying power. You can purchase a home that is a lot higher in price and keeping your payment low, allowing you to afford more. Number 3, tax break on interest payments. That may not be a reason in itself, but it certainly is a good one. Number 4, you'll own it. Enough said. Number 5, you'll build equity. Don't be afraid of what's happened in the past few years. If you're going to purchase a home and own that home for a good 5 to 7 years, you will build equity in that home. These are 5 good reasons why it makes sense to buy a home. And I'm telling you that this is the perfect time. Home prices are down, interest rates are down, and they're going to start going up as times go on and the market starts to get better and better. So take the time now and decide if you're going to purchase a home in the next 12 months. Let's get started. Give me a call today or send me an email, a text, Facebook, whatever you prefer. I would look forward to working with you.